welcome back to my channel. It's DCS, right back again. I hope you guys are chilling fine and doing good this week. So, yup, the last week's video, I hope you guys really liked it. And this week over here, I've got is a very interesting car. Interesting, surprising, extremely cool, and blah blah blah. It's got 1 out of 10 in factory fresh. It's none other than the Mclaren 720S, one of the coolest supercars ever made by Mclaren. I mean, it's so damn aggressive. Once again, like the Mercedes, you have to take a second glance to identify the headlights because you can't suddenly just see them. So, yeah, guys, before we go for the specifications of the Mclaren 720S, we gotta talk about the last week's video. Well, the last week's video was the car sketches, so I hope you guys liked that video. And, yup, I have to mention the winners of the last week's video, which was the Miata MX-5. That was also a cute, cool car. So, the question was... Yup, it was identify the car. So the pictured car which I actually put on the video, you guys had to identify that. So the answer is it was the Nissan Fairlady Z, and of course the first one who got it right was Daman.s. Congratulations, buddy, you are getting the right answers in a row. He's quite a car enthusiast. He's a real car enthusiast, guys. So yup, as I've announced the winner, congratulations, buddy. And this time's quick quiz is, which Bentley drove 200 miles per hour on ice and achieved the ice speed record in 2011? So that's quite a tough question, so you gotta name the Bentley, like which Bentley it was. So yeah, put your answers down in the comments below, I'll check them out. So it's time for the unboxing, let's go for it! Yep, guys, here the 720S is outside the box, and wow, take a look at its front aggressive end, guys. It's so damn cool. Like, you've got the Mclaren badging, which is quite not seen, but still, and it's got the bumper vents with kind of a ducts on the inside, which is quite cool. And yep, the headlamps are quite weird from this car, like it differs from the photo a lot. And yep, the hood vents are quite misaligned, which is a disappointment. As we move on to the sides, we have got that cool Hot Wheel wheels with the chrome beading, and yup, it's missing the side view mirrors. Damn it, that's side view mirrors. And yeah, most of the curves don't got that black kind of a treatment, so it's not so cool. And yep, if we move on to the rear, misses the tail lamps, the exhaust, and other things too, but at least it's got that good diffuser there. So we talking about the interior, guys. It's got the black toned interior, and yup, it's got the black tinted glass, which is quite nice. So yep, guys, it's time to move on to the information. So yep, guys, here we have come to the interesting part of the video. That's the information. So let's know something about this cool Mclaren 720S. So let's start off with the production, guys. The production actually began in 2017, and yup, it's still continuing at the present. Well, if you talk about the body style is actually a two-door coupe, or you can get it for a convertible. So yep, guys, moving to the engine. The engine is actually a 4-liter twin turbocharged V8, which is also called as the M840T. So time about the transmission. The transmission, actually, you get it in a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, which is extremely fast in shifting. Well, time about the horsepower, guys. This car packs up to 710 horsepower, which is quite amazing. And time about the length. The length of this car is actually 4,543 millimeters. Time about the width is actually 1,930 millimeters, but with the mirrors, it actually goes up to 2,161 millimeters, which is really a surprising thing. Well, time about the weight of this car is actually 1,437 kilograms, guys, which is quite a bit heavy. Well, time about the 0 to 60 time, this car does it in 2.9 seconds, which is seriously fast, guys. It is reaching the hypercar segment. So yup, time about the best part, the top speed. The top speed of this car is actually 212 miles per hour, which is 341 kilometers per hour. It is really fast, guys. And yup, coming to the last part, that's the price. This car, this car, actually, the starting price of this car is actually $288,000, which is seriously way too expensive, guys. So, yep, guys, it's time for the last part. That's the special facts. So let's go for it. Let's see what's it got over here. So it's not a big one, but still. So yeah guys, here it tells that the 720S has the variable drift control that allows the driver to choose how much traction they want and thus limit the degree of oversteer before getting into a gravel. So yup, that is actually true guys. They can put it to drift mode and yup, all the fun's there. So yup guys, as I've completed the video, you know what to do. Just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share with all your friends and family. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. And of course, comment your answers down below in the comment box. I'll see you next time, guys. Next week. So till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye now.